Filter rows of a Numpy array. I am looking to apply a function to each row of a Numpy array. If this function evaluates to true, I will keep the row, otherwise I will discard it. For example, my function might be, I was wondering if there was something similar to, which applies a function to each row of a Numpy array and returns the result. I was hoping for something like, which would apply a function to each row of a Numpy array and only return rows for which the function returned true. Is there anything like this? Or should I just use a for loop?
Ideally, you will be able to implement a vectorized version of your function and use that to do Boolean indexing. For the vast majority of problems, this is the right solution. Numpy provides quite a few functions that can act over various axes as well as all the basic operations and comparisons, so most useful conditions should be vectorizable. If you are absolutely sure that you can't do the above, I would suggest using a list comprehension or np.apply_along_axis to create an array of bools to index with. This will get the job done in a relatively clean way, but will be significantly slower than a vectorized version. An example.
As Roger Fan mentioned, applying a function row-wise should really be done in a vectorized fashion on the entire array. The canonical way to filter is to construct a Boolean mask and apply it on the array. That said, if it happens that the function is so complex that vectorization is not possible, it's better or faster to convert the array into a Python list, especially if it uses Python functions such as sum, and apply the function on it. A working example and a performance test. As you can see from the tomate test below, looping over a list, a .toList, is much faster than looping over a Numpy array, partly because Python's sum, and not np.sum, is called in the function f. That said, the vectorized method is much faster than both.
Joshua